Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to render FreeCAD part in a CADRays. As you can see that I have already modeled the sheet metal parts, and if you want to know how I did this, then you can visit my tutorial here. And in this tutorial I have explained from the basics how I model this part. And now in this tutorial we will learn how to render the sheet metal part in a CADRays. So for this I have to rest my part on a plate, on a surface, you can call anything. So here I have made a plate here on which I have rested my part, and you can easily create it by going to the part workbench and here on the cube, and then you can define the dimension of the position of this cube and dimension of this cube. Here it is a 250 by 250 by 10 mm thickness, and its position I have given in a placement 120, 130 and 10. So you do not have to worry, I will provide this step file in the video description for the rendering. So now I will take my sheet metal parts and the base plate, and I will export it to the step file, which you can do easily from the here. I have already exported it. So now we will go to our next step by installing the CADRays software. So CADRays software is a open source software which is available under the product section here, CADRays, and you visit to the page, and by creating a simple account on Open Cascade you can download this CADRays for Windows. So once you download it, it will be like a zip file here, and you have to unzip, and inside this you will get a exe file here, CADRays, and you just launch it. So your CADRays will be launched here. And now here we will go to the file sections and we will say import, and here I have created a part sheet metal part rendering. I will select it and I will open in the open in a CADRays, and here if you want to change the direction you can change it, but I will simply say import as it is. So as you can see that this has been imported. But if you see here on the left hand side that sheet metal rendering, it is a single IPT, but if we look at our FreeCAD, we have the two bodies. One is the sheet metal part and second it is base. So we will select it and we will say explode. And if you see here we have a two body, one is a sheet metal and second it is base. So we will select on the base and we will go under the material sections, and we will select a material here. So we will select a stand here for the white, and for the sheet metal we will select the sheet metal, and we will select here from the steel. So let me check it which one is the steel. So this one is a steel. I will select it and apply. So it is taking time to render it. So you can see that how beautifully it got rendered in a CADRays. And if you are working any projects, then you can simply do the rendering and send to your client and impress your client. So this is all about how to render the FreeCAD part in a CADRays for rendering. So this is all about this small tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my video. Your small support will help this channel to grow. I will come with more useful tutorial in the future. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.